Bulacan is a province in the Philippines located in the central Luzon region. Its capital is the city of Malolos. Bulacan was established on August 15, 1578, and part of the Metro Luzon Urban Beltway superregion. It has 569 barangays in 21 municipalities and 3 component cities. Bulacan is located immediately north of Metro Manila. Bordering Bulacan are the provinces of Pampanga to the west, Nueva Ecija to the north, Aurora and Quezon to the east, and Metro Manila and Rizal to the south. Bulacan also lies on the northeastern shore of Manila Bay. In the 2015 census, Bulacan had a population of 3,292,071 people. The most populous in central Luzon and the third most populous in the Philippines. After Cebu and Cavite, Bulacan's most populated city is San Jose del Monte. The most populated municipality is Santa Maria while the least populated is Dona Remedios Trinidad. In 1899, the historic Barasoeng Church in Malolos was the birthplace of the first constitutional democracy in Asia. On November 7, 2018, the provincial government of Bulacan bagged its 4th Seal of Good Local Governance Award. The SGLG Award is a progressive assessment system that gives distinction to remarkable governance performance. This province is a part of Greater Manila area. The conquest of Bulacan traces to the first years of the Spanish in the Philippines. Upon the defeat of the Macabebe and Hagonoy natives led by Bambalito in the Battle of Bangkusion, June 3, 1571, that caused Martin the Goithi to move up north first to Lubao in September 1571. 2 months later, on November 14, 1571, Martin the Goithi reached Malolos and Calumpit respectively, and it was reported to Adelantado Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the first Governor-General of the Philippines. Adelantado established Calumpit and Malolos as an encomienda entrusted to Sargento Javan Moron and Don Marcos de Herrera. These 2 conquistadors was one of the first group of conquerors accompanied by Legazpi who have arrived in the islands in 1565. On April 5, 1572, the encomiendas of Calumpit and Malolos were unified co-administered by Moron and Herrera. Also on that year, Alcaldía de Calumpit was formed, in which the areas of Macabebe, Candaba, Apalit in Pampanga, and the settlements of Meto, Panduco, Maysulao, and Malolos. And on December 28, 1575, Governor-General Francisco Sande ordered to include Hagonoy in Calumpit. In 1575, Bulacan was established as a visitor of Tondo, and it is not part of Calumpit as the boundary between Tondo and Calumpit was marked in Mambog River and placed the statue of Our Lady of Visitacion was erected. It was gone and recreated in 1997 upon the re-establishment of the Roman Catholic parish of Our Lady of Presentacion in Malolos. On April 30, 1578, Bulacan town was officially established by the Augustinians with Fray Diego Vivar as its first prior, and the convent was dedicated to San Agustin. It was reported that the western part of the present-day Bulacan was to be very well populated and rich. No exact date and year when Alcaldía de Calumpit was dissolved and the exact foundation year of the province of Bulacan. It was only documented that Malolos was first to appear as part of Alcaldía de Bulacan was in 1582. It may be assumed that the reorganization of encomiendas has occurred between 1580 to 1582 at the time of Governor-General Gonzalo Ronquillo de Penaloza. Same document also from the 1582 Relación de las Islas Filipinas by Miguel de Loca reports that Alcaldía de Calumpit have the jurisdiction in the areas of Calumpit as it encomiendas which formally have one alcalde mayor, but he said that Alcaldía de Bulacan was formed in 1580 at the time of Penaloza. In the document of Governor-General Luis Perez de Dasmariñas in the account of the encomiendas for the King of Spain furnished on June 21, 1591, Dasmariñas mentioned that Alcaldía of Bulacan was part of La Pampanga with the encomiendas subject to it, such as the encomiendas of Malolos, Caluya, Mecabayan and Bulacan identified as capital and residence of alcalde mayor. with 4,800 persons. In the same 1591 document, it was mentioned that Kalampitwai Hagonoy belongs to Havan Moron with the 12,800 persons, 2 Augustinian convents, and 1 alcalde mayor of its own. However, the establishment and development of the southern part of the present-day Bulacan was not simultaneous and identified with the west. It was because this part of the province was established by another group of missionaries, the Franciscan order, who came to the islands only in 1577 in Manila. In 1578, order of friars minor headed by Juan de Plasencia and Diego Oropesa arrived in the area called Toral and their headquarters. Also in 1578, Plasencia established the town of Maycavayan. Its pueblos were first only settlements of the old Maycavayan, founded by Franciscan. Secondary sources mention that Maycavayan exists as a province in 1578. It was said the Augustinians Christianized Bulacan during the general visitation of October 5, 1762.